Welcome to Charged Up with Tesla Dan. Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking news that Tesla has claimed all top 5 spots for the most American-built cars. This is a remarkable testament to the shift in the automotive industry, where electric vehicles are not just an alternative, but a dominant force in American manufacturing. Let's break this down. What does it mean for the economy, the job market, and the environment? With Tesla leading the charge, we're witnessing a renaissance of American ingenuity. The investment in sustainable technology has rippled through various sectors, creating jobs and fostering innovation. Moreover, the implications of Tesla's dominance extend beyond just sales figures. It raises questions about the future of traditional automakers. Are they equipped to pivot to electric fully? Are consumers ready to embrace this change? As we navigate this transformation, the impact on our cities, air quality, and energy consumption must be considered. This is not just about cars. It's about redefining our relationship with transportation and the planet. So buckle up and let's explore this electric frontier together. This podcast was co-produced by Daniel Aharonoff and Mogul Media AI.